will uncover the secrets of making Lana and talk about its history. Join us to our journey as we bring you closer to our culture and tradition. Yo, what's up, guys? We are the Kita Archives, and my name is RJ, and this is
Juvan. Right.
Yeah, and we're bringing you Filipino culture at its finest. Okay.
We're going to talk about how to make Lana.
Lana.
So, what is Lana? Lana is obtained from a coconut by extracting its oil. It is believed that it has special curative properties or power to ward off evil of supernatural origin. Lana is similar to virgin coconut oil, yet differs by its historical backgrounds and purpose. Lana is said to came from a traditional healer, or as the locals would call them, manambalay, which is said to mostly came from Siquijor, the island of healers. Lana has mystical healing properties that can and cannot be explained by science.
Welcome to Philippines. One day it's sunny and then the other time it's raining. Philippines has the weirdest weathers.
Yes.
Like
sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's rainy.
Yeah, sometimes you look at the sky and you say, oh, look at that little cloud. Oh, there's a bird, and then the other time you go, what the heck?
Yeah, it feels like the rain is unpredictable.
Yeah, it got rainy suddenly. It was really sunny that day, and then
High low pressure. Susuka yung ulan.
So we're here at the public market to buy some coconuts for the Lana, and here it is. Hey, so we got the coconuts already, and we're gonna send them to the Juvanrey's mom's house, or Juvanrey's house rather. Here in the Philippines, there is typically a sign why it was raining and sunny at the same time.
We actually say this word like ulan
init, pista sa
ulan init pista sa langit.
Yeah.
And it is commonly speak by our region.
Yeah, it's a common expression here that you say, ay, ulan init, ay, pista sa langit. So,
because it's sunny and it's raining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So typically they say the heavens are having a feast.
And when it's dark and rainy, it means that the earth is having a feast.
Yes, so but when Christians say it, when it's raining during the Holy Week, they say it's a blessing. Well, yeah, really, it's a blessing when you have a rain near the equator.
Yes, especially for farmers.
Yes, for farmers. So this is the first process in making the so-called Lana here in the Philippines. So first we have to get some freshly picked coconuts, or what kind of coconuts is it, Juvan?
So there is an exact
there's an exact type of coconut.
Yes, it's called palm tree or lubi. So lubi is a word of Hiligaynon, and its meaning in English is coconut palm or palm.
But some people do when manambalays find their what you call this ingredients, they try to find it during the Friday of the Holy Week, and it's called, what is it called, Juvan? Tumangita sa ingredients.
It's called gathering of ingredients.
Nani?
Terms of ano?
Doon.
Terms of Bisaya na. Pangpangalap.
Yeah, pagpangalap.
Yes, pangpangalap. And then some of them try to look for the one-eyed palm coconut
Because they believe that it's more powerful, and it also expose its healing process or properties, or whatever it calls.
But we couldn't find any kind of that coconut with the one eye.
Because it's very rare, and yeah, it's pretty hard.
Yeah, but any coconut will do.
Yeah, we can't waste our time just finding that one-eyed tree.
One-eyed tree.
One-eyed tree. One-eyed coconut palm. Yeah, coconut palm.
Yeah, so
I'm sorry.
we got 8 coconuts for this demonstration.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, there's a certain type of coconut, and then next step will be shaving the coconuts. So we're gonna shave this off.
What is kagod in English?
Well, typically kagod is just like shaving or shredding the inner part of the coconuts. They tend to do it just because at the second part of this process, we're gonna extract the juice or the milk from the coconut by squeezing it.
Yeah.
And let it all out.
So it makes easier, right? Do you wanna try?
Oh. No. The question is, do you wanna try, Juvan? No.
Fun facts.
So since it's Holy Week, we have a certain type of food that we eat during this season, and it's called binignit.
So, what does binignit taste like?
Well, most of it was really sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
It's actually thick, right?
yeah, the sauce of it is really thick.
So it's basically it depends on how you cook the binignit. Sometimes it's runny and sometimes it's very thick.
There is some ingredients that we use like tapioca balls, the bigger ones.
Yeah, there's a specific term for that.
Yeah, there's one time Juvan was choking on these balls.
like a bird, right? So it was like proceed.
This is the shaved coconuts that we shaved earlier, and then we're gonna put this under fire, right?
Yeah, but after that we're going to
What?
kumot it with water.
Kumot it with water. Yeah.
So in the second process, which is the extraction of its milk, coconut milk, so it is very hard to squeeze its milk. So
Because it requires manpower. Well, you got two options. Is it two?
yeah,
You got two options when you try to extract the milk. It's either you do it by hand or you do it
with
by
cloth.
cloth. Yeah, you can do it with a cheese. What do you call this? Cheese strainer. Was that what you call it? And then just ring.
You just have to put strength on it, like what do you call it?
Basta pug-on ni mong ayaw.
Yeah, pug on. Ha. Pug
Pug-on
on.
mo
Ha.
ayaw.
That's very easy, bro. So in this first process, we put some warm water to help us extract the coconut milk. Repeat the process until the coconut milk is properly extracted.
Well, in this part, we since we're not using the cloth strainer and use it by hand, we put water.
We actually put liquid into the shredded coconut pulp.
Yeah, some of people suggest that we extract the coconut milk once, but we just want all of the milk to be extracted, so we did it twice. And the second time, we put water, or some put the coconut water when you break the coconuts.
Yes.
Yeah, and you put it just to make it easier for you to extract it all.
So we can actually use its juice, the
Yes.
coconut juice.
But there's a downside to it, because when you put so much water in it, it will take a long time to cook because
You're out of
you need to reduct the water first. And for us, it took how many hours, Ban? Yeah, 3 to 4 hours. While a Subanen friend was making fire for the Lana, our experts are still extracting the milk from the coconuts. This is the amount of milk from the first extraction. And now the second extraction begins.
Plunge and squeeze the coconuts to get most out of the milk. Repeat the process if needed.
As we prepare the pan, we strain the leftovers. After you strain everything, put it in the wok. Stir continuously as it reaches into its boiling point.
So right now, we need to continuously stir this coconut milk until it turns brown, and then the oil will be extracted. And pastilan, inita kayo. Init kayo. Okay. We say pastilan here because it's just an expression that pastilan means it's very, very hard. Ay, pastilan ni Suda, eh. Like that. And pastilan, inita nyo kayo. Yagan. Gawa. Dali man ipagawa sa. We're taking turns with Juvan to stir. But this looks like a really witch-like thing. Are you feeling like a witch now, Jog?
Oh my goodness, it's very hard. Actually, when you stir it, it's very hot underneath.
Evan, what does pastilan mean, bud?
So, in Bisaya we say pastelan, and in English we say it, oh my goodness.
Yes. Bisaya 101.
Yeah, pastilan, kainit. Oh my goodness, very hot.
Hey guys, it's been 30 minutes since we put this coconut milk in the fire, so I think it needs another 30 minutes and then it's ready to go, I think. So, kani siya, padulong na dyan siya mo, kuhan, mahuman. So as you can see, my eyes are turning up. So this is aso kayo. This is the one, the verge of the coconut separating with the oil. So this is Ate Merlin, and she's the one who taught us how to make Lana. So Ate Merlin is a pure Subanen, and she came from a village of Subanens. Where, Ate? Asa kayo, Ate?
Sukan.
Disukan. Dapit.
From Dipolog.
From Dipolog. And right now she is continuing it for us because we don't know what to do next.
Wala na.
So kaya natin to. Hello. Sige. Te, may lahanan nito.
Makulo na sa brown. Ang
Brown.
lunok.
Ay, lunok.
Ano sa iya.
The curdles. Yeah.
Leftover.
Yeah, the leftover curdles. Sorry. So guys, this is the finished product of Kwan. Of the whole process of making Lana, but we need to let it rest first and let it cool down so that we may strain it. We're gonna find a container first and then bury it for 1 month and then have it blessed afterwards.
First time pag yun ka.
So at this juncture, we are using a strainer to separate the oil and the curdles.
Pero kuan ni siya, diba? Ilubong? Ano ilubong man? Dili pwede kanon te.
Ang kuan mo siya tambal.
Tambal na yung
It will affect its
kung
healing process
kanon
or
siya.
healing capability.
Okay
Or
raman sa uban pero
Yeah.
tambal uy sinanay. Tambal.
So we're gonna Ate Merlin's digging up a hole to bury the remains of the Lana. So we cannot eat the curdles because it is for medicine, so we need to bury it. I think it's part of the ritual, right?
it's part of the process.
Yeah. It's part of the process.
Yeah.
Other people who also believed in spiritual things or magical things, they will try to make Lana oil at least in the afternoon. They believe the energy of day and night during its transition plays a major part to absorb its energy. They will bury it in the ground with some incense during the full moon. and during the sunrise, they dig it up again. And afterwards, they have it blessed on a nearby church to fully make up to its magical healing powers.
So that was basically it, and
So the process is done, and all that's left to do is
wait.
wait, put it in a container, bury it, and wait for 1 month, and then have it blessed by a nearby church. So that's it. Hope you learned so much in this demonstration or tutorial vlog or whatever documentary, and we'll see you in the next video. So that's how you make Lana. And how was the experience for you so far, Juvan?
Well, it is actually hard in the second process.
Yeah, all those
Because in the
extracting.
first process, we actually watch Budoy, the kid, or is actually Subanen.
Yeah.
So
We
we're
actually
very honored to meet him in person.
Yeah, and Ate Merlin.
And Ate Merlin also.
Yeah, we were lucky that we got first-hand tips from Subanen or indigenous people. And then, for me, the hard part was the last one when you cook the
Yeah,
when you
it's
cook the
actually
milk. I
hot.
was literally crying
As you can see,
because of the
my
smoke.
eyes are turning up.
Yeah. You can actually see in the
So-
previous video, right?
Yeah, so if you want more contents like this, just subscribe down below and leave a like and support this channel, and we're gonna post a lot of stuff here in the Philippines for you to learn.
Yes.
And then, by the way, my name is RJ and this is
Juvanrey.
and thank you for watching. Kita